Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video. Today we're going to be taking a quick look at the market and then jumping straight into the crypto news of today. So first off, we do see obviously Dogecoin making headlines pretty much everywhere with a 39 cents right now, up about 183.42%. Do beware, this is probably a coin that is going to tank at any given moment. There are holders that hold up to 28% of the entire Dogecoin in the market. So obviously at any point in time, many of these big holders drop their coins. We will see a monumental drop and decrease and then panic sell right afterwards. So we'll see what happens with that. As we see, the rest of the market is mostly a little bit red. We see things like Theta obviously doing very, very well. But for the most part, everything is red, so expect continuous red for a little bit longer. We did make a video on IOTA. IOTA is a very cool coin that is also green right now, as well as NEO. So a lot of red, though, like I said, and I think that's obviously just because we had such a good market run the last couple of days. So we need to correct a little bit, and then we'll start increasing yet again, I believe. Right now, we do see some good prices, though, all across the board for entry points. If you're looking to buy in, there is a lot of good buy-in prices. So we go to our first article of today. The Daily Hold talks about multi-billion-dollar product lines coming to Cardano Max exodus from Ethereum at base layer likely. Charles Hoskinson, obviously the creator of Cardano, says the smart contract platform will host billions of dollars worth of products and inspire many blockchain developers to migrate away from Ethereum at the base layer. So we'll see how Cardano versus Ethereum continues to play out. It's obviously going fairly well for both of them right now as they both continue to increase and both have a lot of potential behind them. So we go into the next one. We see Venezuelans try to beat hyperinflation with cryptocurrency revolution. So we've talked about this before. Obviously, Venezuela, the dollar itself, hyperinflation is going on. And I guess their fiat currency of their kind is going, hyperinflating. So they are jumping into the cryptocurrencies revolution as well as pretty much everyone else around the world. So Venezuela, hopefully it goes well for you guys jumping into cryptocurrency. Hopefully they treat you right, and hopefully we continue to see increases. Jumping into the next one, we see Bitcoin crashes after accident in China halts mining operation. A coal mine explosion in China has allegedly caused a massive drop in Bitcoin's total mining power. So a gas explosion and flooding at a Chinese coal mine has halted Bitcoin's mining operation in China. So we'll continue to watch this, see what happens. Obviously, if there's any massive impacts, we'll talk about it. But obviously not a good scenario. Next, we see Dogecoin spikes 225% to become fifth biggest crypto by market cap. Obviously, this is continuing to increase over time, so this may be irrelevant at the time you see this. Hopefully it didn't dip and drop everybody down, but that's definitely possible. So the value of Dogecoin or Doge, I always say Dogecoin, but it's obviously Dogecoin. The value of Dogecoin has more than doubled over the past 24 hours. Dogecoin is now worth almost 42 cents, up more than 5,000% in 2021, which is just massive, obviously, for any coin. But, the meme itself, Dogecoin making these kind of gains is just crazy. Jumping into the next one, we see a Doge Bubble Edition. Charles Hoskinson did create, talking about the Doge Bubble Edition, and really just talks in general. I'm not actually going to click the play button because I'm not sure if there's copyright involved or whatever. But if you guys want to check this out, you definitely can find it on, I'm assuming, Google. Just type in Doge Bubble Edition by Charles Hoskinson. He just talks about how this could definitely bring regulations to the cryptocurrency market. Obviously, the cryptoverse hasn't seen too many regulations yet in the United States at the very least, and I bet this will bring some regulations, unfortunately. So Alaska is the first U.S. state on a course to use blockchain in voting statewide. So Alaska is on the course, like we said. We'll continue to see if it will actually push for that voting statewide with using blockchain. I think that'd be awesome. Obviously supporting cryptocurrencies altogether if we could get more and more adoption like this, using it throughout the government. Next, we see Turkish C-Bank bans use of crypto assets due to significant risks. So because Turkey has banned Turkey has banned cryptocurrencies in the past with the bank specifically, and we're seeing that yet again take place. Next, we have Binance destroys $595 million worth of BNB tokens, and its largest burn ever. So that is good for most people holding Binance. You like to see these token burns, obviously, keeping your token rare and, not rare, but you know what I mean, keeping your token valuable, really, keeping its value there with that huge, large token burn. Next, we have you met the newest Azir Heroes Badgers? We are proud to create our NFTs on Engine. If you guys like the Engine coin. We talk about it a lot on this channel. But the NFTs on Engine JumpNet, which consumes 99% less of the electricity of the Ethereum blockchain, better for our community and the environment. So if you guys haven't followed me already on Twitter, make sure to do so. It's going to be linked in the description below because I do retweet usually things like this. I haven't retweeted this exact thing because I didn't think it was huge news. I don't think it'll affect the price too much. But there is a lot going on around the crypto world altogether. So I will try to retweet all the crypto news out there and available to us. Next, we have Ethereum breaks $2,500 all-time high. We do this already. Obviously, this is a little bit old, 18 hours ago, but Ethereum's price did rally and it traded above 2,500 for the first time ever 18 hours ago. So that was obviously awesome to see this increase, and a lot of people holding Ethereum for obvious reasons continues to have a lot of potential. Next, we have great news. We have just started sending invitations to customers on the waitlist. Soon you will be able to start staking your ETH on Coinbase. This has been such a monumental effort across Coinbase and Bison trails, and I couldn't be more proud of what our teams have built. So ETH will be being able to be staked here very soon. So ETH2 staking rewards are coming soon to Coinbase. Learn how you may be able to put your Ethereum to work and earn up to 7.5% APR. So that's obviously going to be a big deal. We'll continue to keep an eye on that. As we see next, we have Rothschild Investment adds Ethereum surpassing Bitcoin holdings. The firm revealed its shares in the ETH trust were valued at $4.75 million on March 31st. So I'm sure this has continued to increase over time. We're continuing to see, they doubled down on Ethereum. Obviously, I've heard of so many different celebrities and companies talk about Ethereum at this point. I think a lot of people are investing in Ethereum. It'll be very interesting to see if Cardano can get some investors from companies like Ethereum does when Cardano is ready to really start getting rolled out. It'll be interesting to see this really all play out between Ethereum and Cardano in the future. But Ethereum is grabbing some attention from a lot of different people right now, so we'll continue to watch that. Next, we have Coinbase nabs a top 10 slot in Apple's U.S. App Store for the first time since January. So obviously cryptocurrencies are becoming bigger and bigger every day. More and more people adapting and jumping into the cryptoverse before it's too late, in their opinion. The earlier you get, the cheaper prices, the better results, the better profits. So Coinbase become the 9th most downloaded app on the Apple App Store for the United States as of Thursday. So that's big, obviously. We're moving in the right direction as Coinbase continues to move in the right direction as well. Obviously, their stock dropping as well. That could have brought some news to a lot of people, and people may have downloaded it because of all the hype around their stock as well. But, we're seeing crypto just continue to do good as it, gets more and more people adopting, crypto every single day. So it's great to see, great to hear. As we jump back to the crypto exchange of Coinbase, let's take a look at the market. So the market finally went green, 0.04%. Obviously, a lot to do with Dogecoin with that 193.58% increase. But for the most part, we are seeing it at least green, so that's a positive for sure. As we do see Chainlink as well start to kind of move back up, 41.09. It went down to, I think, 39 for a second. Cardano also went down to like $1.37. It's back to $1.41. So we're seeing a lot of those start to make moves back up. Hopefully we'll continue to monitor those throughout the rest of the day and continue to see increases. Thank you guys so much for jumping in with me today in the crypto news of today. If you guys like this segment, make sure to let me know in the comments. Like the video if you could. It really does support me. And then also subscribe to the channel. Turn notifications on. I really do appreciate it, guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in with me today. And I'll see you all in the next one.